Hey there folks, it's Tuesday. I got called out to this location here for a truck that had a check engine light. I got to go back to that company with the concrete trucks here in a little bit, but my boss wanted me to stop by here and take a look at this one, just in case I needed to order parts. Connected to the unit, and the codes that it was flagging was for DPF, differential pressure, data valid but above normal operating range. So you could say basically the soot level was high. So I went ahead and performed a regen. Soot level came back down to the normal range, and that's all there is to do to this one. It just needed a regen. So I'm gonna get this code cleared out and get back over here get back over into the Alliance area where they're doing the road construction, and see if I can get this other truck taken care of. They have one that's, the driver's window is not working. They replaced the switch on it 4 different times and it's still not working. He said he can shoot power to the regulator with the power probe. It'll go up and down, but yeah, so I'll bring y'all back whenever I get over there. Again, I'm not going to be able to film their trucks just because that's what they request. Please do not do that, so I will not. But yeah, easy Tuesday so far. Monday was hell. Alright, got this other truck done, the other concrete truck that was the one that was having issues with the window switch. What had happened was the ground wire broke where the door opens and closes, where it's hinged. And with that broke, of course, you're not going to get, you can get power to it, but you can't get your ground side. Spoke with the customer about the situation, what I found, and they have requested that I send them a part number and they make the corrections, they make the repairs. So I looked it up, sent them what they needed to know, and I think I'm done for today. Pretty easy Tuesday. Made money still though. So Pompey Road coming up. They're doing a bunch of road construction up here on the north side of Fort Worth, and so I'm driving in between the highway right now. Pretty fun. I like shit like this. So y'all have a good one. Not sure if my foreman's gonna send me anything else. I tried giving her a call just a minute ago. She didn't answer. So we'll see if we get a reply here in just a little bit. If I don't get one, I'm going home. So this particular unit here is a 2021 Peterbilt 579. It's got an automated transmission. Upon arrival, there was no active codes. There was a shitload of stored codes in the TCM. Guys, here's the deal. So this is the truck. This is the unit. This is the right-hand stock. This is your gear selector, reverse, neutral, drive, or do not resuscitate, however you want to look at it. So the situation that these things are having is sometimes you go to put it in drive and it'll log transmission faults. Sometimes it'll go in perfectly. Now I've had a few of them where I could wiggle these wires here and it'll work just fine for a little bit, not long. But we got a company that we've been sending these out to get them rebuilt, basically resoldered, I guess you could say. Get them fixed up, come back out, put them back on. Usually takes 5 to 7 days, but this particular unit is 6,000 miles out of warranty. That's the most aggravating thing ever. So we're gonna get with our warranty department, see if there's any way that we can get it covered for the repair and go from there. But just waiting to hear back information from my foreman. She's gonna call a bunch of people, see what she can line up. Y'all have a good one. All right, final determination was made. We're gonna pull the sensor, ship it off, have it rebuilt. The unit is 6,000 miles outside of warranty. So between me and the foreman and their salesman, it was decided to go ahead and pull it, ship it, and ask for forgiveness later. So I've got it. We'll get it sent off and hopefully have it back in probably 5 business days out of soon. But that's the end of the day. I'm going home. I'm finished. Y'all have a good one. See you Wednesday.